Hey there, how's it going? My name is Destiny and welcome back to my channel. So this is the last part of this course section. In this one, we're gonna go ahead and configure the delete function so that we can actually hit the delete button and it will delete a question for us. So let me actually go ahead and firstly, let's fix this button over here so that when we hit this, it would go back. And hopefully, you know what we did in the last video, we went ahead and added updates function that really does a really good thing for us. It really helps us update our question, and that's really amazing. So that's what we added in the last video. This time around, we're going to go ahead and add up the delete function. But before that, let's fix this button. So over to the question form, that's it. Now I want to locate the one that says, let's see, cancel. Yeah, it's cancel. So cancel, we're just gonna look for the href, and I don't have anything there already. I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna open up a URL and I'm gonna say Stackbase. I think we should go to the detail page, so we're gonna go to question-detail, just like that. Now when we refresh this now, okay, you see this is not working. The last thing we want to add is the question.id. Now when we refresh, this actually should work. So now when we hit this, it gets back to here. Now when we hit this, it comes over here, this goes back. Now we want to make this work. How do we do that? We want to come over to the views.py, and just below here we're going to create a new class, and we're going to name this one, let me just grab everything that we have over here already. I'm going to paste down here and change this to question delete view. So question delete view, this time around it's going to be delete view, just like that. And over here I'm going to pass it in just like that, delete view, delete. Okay, let's see, delete. Okay, so that's pretty much what I want to do. I'm going to get rid of this. So firstly, we need a model post. Secondly, we need this define test underscore functions in to make sure that it's a user that's actually logged in and has the posts that's trying to delete their posts. Hopefully you understand. So after this, that's pretty much what you want to do. Let's just go ahead and configure a URL for it. It could just be exactly like this one, and we're just going to change this to delete. We're going to change this to question delete view. So question delete view, and this should be question delete. Okay, so this time around, let's try going over to /delete. Okay, so we need to create this template, right? Yeah, so over here we're gonna right click, come over to new file, and we create a template. So now when we refresh, we get a blank page. So let's simply just get a template, you know, that we're gonna use for it. It should be somewhere here. Finally, I think it should be there. So let's see, it's that. Okay, I'm just gonna view the page source, and I'm gonna copy this, come over here, and I'm gonna paste it. So with this now, when I come over here and refresh, okay, we need to end block. So we need to start it and end it, actually, to make everything work fine. So firstly, I'm gonna come over to this one, and I'm gonna copy all this from here to here, come over here, and I'm gonna paste it just at the top. So now when I refresh this, what do you notice? Let's say, okay, did you forget to register or load this? Okay, there is no load block content, so we need to open up a block content, just like that. Now when we refresh, you see it's working the way we want it. But I think this is actually, you know, rearranging everything that we have over here. Let's see. Okay, I think we still need to fix a thing or two, or we could just drag this and put it over here, questions_confirm delete. I want to change the name to questions_confirm delete. Yeah, that's what I want to use. Question. Okay, not still bad. but I don't know, it's changing the styling of this. Okay, for now let's just go ahead and make the functionality actually work. Then we are still gonna arrange everything in the upcoming videos. Okay, so let's come over here, and firstly it says, do you want to delete this question? And we need to add whatever the name of the question is, we need to add it up over here. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna say question.title, just like that. And now it's gonna say, do you want to delete this question? And it's supposed to call the title. So why is it not doing that? Let's actually see. Okay, now let's come over to the views.py, and over here let's say I want to give it a context object name. Let's call this question, just like that. Context object name should be equal to question. I'm gonna copy that, come over here, and I think it should be down. Do you want to delete this question? Oh, I was actually doing it in the wrong one. So I think I need to get rid of this page now before I actually get confused. So to this one over here, that's the one I want to do it to. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna get rid of all this. Let's come over here and I'm gonna get rid of every other thing that we have in here. I'm gonna open that up, questions.title. So now when we refresh, you see, do you want to delete this question, add a new item to the dictionary, updated? So now when we hit this delete button, it's simply supposed to delete, but I think there is a very simple error that we are getting. Okay, so if you take a close look, you will see that let's see. Okay, B is ending off over here. Let's see. H2 started over here and ended off over here, B. Okay, so as you can see, this is not pretty looking good. It's not really looking the way I actually do want it to look. Now let's refresh this. Okay, so we only have the delete button now. I'm just gonna Ctrl+C with this, and as you can see, we have delete and delete. So I'm just gonna change one to delete, and I'm gonna change another to cancel. So another is gonna be cancel, just like that. Okay, this delete, this cancel. Okay, cancel is actually supposed to be success, or let's say warning. Yeah, let's just say warning. So delete, cancel, warning. I think it should be success. Yeah, let's just leave it as success, whatever. So delete, cancel, delete, cancel. Okay, so we need to make this an A tag. Open this up, add an A tag in there. Over here, change this to A. So when we refresh, this is the issue that we are getting. We are supposed to actually fix this. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna stick with the buttons that we have for now. I'm gonna cut this, open up an A tag, and for now I'm gonna pass in this delete. Now when we refresh, you see we get the same delete, but this time around I think there is an error. We need to come over here. Let's just add a simple style, and we're gonna add text decoration to none, just like that. Delete, cancel, and let's say let's see. Let me grab this class over here and just put it in here. Let's see. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, I think there's something I want to do. I'm gonna get rid of that now. I'm gonna create a new A tag. I'm gonna put in the class that I copied, and I'm gonna put in delete. Okay, this is what I want. Then finally in the href, I'm gonna take this to, this is supposed to have a type of submit. It's supposed to have a type of submit. Okay, I think we are actually mixing things up over here. This is supposed to be for the cancel. Yeah, that's what we are supposed to do. So I'm gonna cut this, and I'm gonna come over here and put it at the top, and I'm gonna get rid of one of the deletes. Let's see, cancel, delete. Okay, they are now like changed up the other way. but this time around this is gonna be delay, and this is gonna be cancel. Okay, delay, cancel. But finally this is supposed to be success, while this is gonna be danger. Okay, so this is what I want. Type submit, blah blah blah, cancel. If the user doesn't want to delay, let's take them back to the detail page. So we're gonna say URL, and we're gonna pass in stack base, and there's gonna be question dash details detail. There's gonna be question.id. Okay, so when we refresh now, we hit cancel, you see we get back here. Let's actually make this to work. So in question detail, I think this is it over here. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna put it in here, but get rid of one of the the quotes. This time around this is gonna be question dash delay. Okay, so when we refresh this now, I hit this, you see it says do you want to delete this question. When we hit delete, it's actually deleted it, but it doesn't know where to go. So let's provide a success URL. Okay, so how do we provide a success URL? It's quite easy. All we need to do is come over to our views.py. Let's get back to our views.py, and over here, let me just give this some space. We need to define a success URL, and what we want to set this to, quite easy, just slash. When you delete, we want to go back to the home page. Hopefully you understand. So this time around, let's try deleting another question. Come over to question 1. Let's try deleting it. Delete. As you can see, we get back to the home page. Let's say we don't want to get back to the home page. We want to redirect to the list. Yeah. So let's say we want to do something like that. Let's see. So how do we actually even achieve that in here? Okay, I think we don't need any curly brackets. We just need to say stack base slash question dash lists, just like that. So now let's get over to question. Okay, I don't want to keep doing this. Let's just configure this button over here. So I'm just gonna come over to template, come over to base. Let's look for the button that says latest question. I wonder where it would be. Okay, I think it should be in home, not base. Let's see. Did I just pass it? After we love people who code, let's say that should be at the top. This is over here. Then this is it, latest question. So come over here, man. We need to pass it in, just like that. And let's get rid of one of the quotes. That's just what we want to do. Then we're gonna go to question dash lists without the question ID. Okay, so now no data found for that. That's kind of bad, Let's see, how about we just stick with question list. Let's see. Okay, keep refreshing, not still working. I just hope that's what we use in our URL. Oh yeah, that's the error. It's actually lists, not lists. So lists. So now when we refresh, it should work. Now when we hit this, we get to the question list. How can I add a new key to the dictionary? When we hit this, we open this up, we can update it, we can go back, we can delete it. Delete, it's safe. Okay, unsafe redirects to URL protocol stack base. Yeah, whatever, that's what I want to do. For now we just redirect to the home page and it's gonna work perfectly fine. So let's say we want to delete this, and as you can see, it gets to the home page. So that's actually it, and it's actually looking good, not bad. And I think that should round it up for the delete view. If there is any other thing that we are missing, we're gonna cover it in the next video. But for now, I think that's pretty much it. This video is getting a little bit long, and I do not actually really do want that. For now, I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna go ahead and start working with some major functionalities. For example, adding answers, adding likes, adding restrictions, and a whole lot of things all together. And I hope I'll see you guys there. So bye for now.